looks like it's going to be a hiking day today, so ever reliable Sandugo. Yo, it looks like me and the fam is going to be in the trails. Oh, sabi na tumayo. Kamusta naman ang report dito?
Okay naman, parang ano, ang tawag doon?
Parang ano?
Sa mugpog.
This is one of the best trails here in Maryland. Little gunpowder, mountain bikes, hikers, everything's complete in here. And this is home, man. Hey Beckett, look at the camera. Say cheese.
Cheese.
You like it? You like walking in here? Yeah, Beckett likes the trail.
Do you want? Yes. No.
Okay, that's Elsa.
And runners.
And runners and bikers. See, it's fun. You see the friends? Yo, it's cold. How was it?
How was what?
The trip today?
It's pretty good.
It's relaxing, right? Yo, if you're in Maryland, Baltimore specifically, you get to visit the beautiful Little Gunpowder. It's always amazing, relaxing, and seeing a couple of friends today. PMB, shout out to my boys, man. James, Alan, Benny, Ray. You guys are amazing. It's a good hit.